Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you're in the market for a heat gun, then literally stop right here and look no further than this awesome heat gun from Chandler Tool. This heat gun is so well made, it's a top-notch quality, and it is so easy to use. I personally needed a heat gun for a shrink wrap project to shrink wrap some DIY products that I had made recently, and this was absolutely perfect. At just a flick of a switch, I was able to adjust it to whichever setting I needed. For most of my project, I just needed that low setting to set the shrink wrap in, but there were a couple spots that I needed a little bit more heat, so I turned it up a little bit and it sealed it right up. I also noticed how quickly this heats up. I plugged it in and turned it on, and literally within just a matter of seconds, I was able to start my project. The first thing I noticed was how comfortable the grip was. It has a really nice texturized rubber around the outside. So as I was rotating my product and using the heat gun, it fit really comfortably in my hand and was so lightweight, so it didn't feel like it weighed me down. I also like that it does have a kickstand option too. For my project, it was easier for me to hold it in my hand, but for other projects, I feel like the kickstand would come in really handy, that I could just set it up and then move the product around the heat gun as needed. I would highly suggest this heat gun from Chandler Tool. It's easy to use, it has a really nice, comfortable grip, and it is truly a premium quality product. But that's just my point of view.